that easy.
Your alternative voice for 70 years. New artists and your favorites on 89.1 The Wood.
Credit card debt.
If you're in debt and you need help, call Trinity at 1-800-793-8993.
Filmmaker unable to make films to tell his stories until the past nudges him forward. More of the story, Edward.
What about concern that there's plenty left and then one of your children goes over to this second?
That's in Bible teaching, Christian news and information.
This is Pastor Phil from Abundant Life, and recently Alliance for Life has started asking the question, where is the outcry? And today I asked that question.
And we want to welcome you back to the second half of To Every Man an Answer. Here on this Friday, we want to just...
starting with just $279 a square foot. With 22 designer colors, Pergo Outlast Plus can fit any style, in any room, beautifully.
Asking, yes, Sophia is the one who said you were reading these articles, would you like to turn it into a book? So
this is Matt Barker, host of the Juice Radio Show. Join me every Wednesday at 4 p.m. on KWRH-LP.
I'm in a meeting with the idea of making a book and then doing such a good
radio station in Webster, Missouri for an hour of the best.
From the Fast Eddie's Weather Center. If you're 21 and in the mood, head on over to Fast Eddie's in Alton, Illinois.
Meteorologist
Fielder for the Atlanta Braves, swinging and a miss. He missed.
96 minutes commercial free on Now 96.3.
Moving into the book tries to find some kind of balance between the two, and understanding that part of what is attractive and that when
I was too busy stewing about the Afraid
We're
thing
not
to
in
be
We're
paying
not in
attention.
Totally get that. It doesn't matter.
Rachel and Sue, your final score is 12.
I think
Tony and
a better
Frank.
giver.
Tony and Frank, your final score.
Put on your shoes and run. No. Dance, tap. There you go. Farb.
fouls it off, and you just finally have had enough. And then you reach back and, 95 miles an hour.
I pray to God that your boy never change. Until the day I'm done, I'm gonna stay the same. Gotta feed the kids.
Black velvet.
Now this is the part I love too. I love to spend this time with the men in the audience.
I don't wanna hear a beat. Trying to catch the sleep. Trying to count sheep. Hot.
The birth control laws, the way they've been going, if we didn't put some stop on it, I mean, it would, the child's a year old. I don't want it anymore.
Take my hand and come with me because you look
first and bed sheets. And I want to tell you, this is true confession. I have all of them. I have the My Pillow pillow.
Anyone can throw on devil horns and call it a Halloween costume, but not you. You went to Savers. If there was a you and your family would Halloween it.
Do an awesome morning, so I am blessed with that.
Yeah, you were really lucky to have me.
Well, you do an incredible job, and I have to tell you, I've always admired your work, but what I remember you most...
And I'll kiss you 'cause